Hi, and welcome to our first step into the fascinating world of machine learning and artificial intelligence. So, what exactly is AI? Picture it as a group of smart and powerful tools that allow machines or computers to think and learn like humans, solving problems in ways that we never thought possible. Simply put, AI or machine learning is like teaching computers to think and learn like humans. Today, we are going to break down some important terms: AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI, and see how they're revolutionizing different sectors. By the end of our time today, you'll have a solid and a clear understanding of what these technologies are and how they might shape our future. Get ready for an engaging and eye-opening journey into AI and machine learning. Let's dive in. Let's start by understanding AI. It's not about robots ruling our world. Instead, imagine AI as a smart set of tools, each with a specialized skill that helps machine think and solve problems in unique ways. In our toolkit, or within the world of AI, each tool has a purpose. Taking machine learning, for example, is a bit like a smart student who learns directly from loads of data, getting smarter all the time as you put in more data. Then there is deep learning, which mimics the way our brains work. It's not exactly like our brain, but the idea behind it was to make it work just like the connected neurons in our brains. Each neuron will process data, enabling machines to recognize faces and translate languages with incredible accuracy. Then we have generative AI, which many of us are familiar with through tools like GPT or ChatGPT, Claudia 2, Bard, Llama, and others. Chances are you might have already used one of them. Imagine it as a digital artist equipped with creative toolkit capable of producing original artworks, music, or even coding. Because you can do anything with this AI, your ChatGPT, Claudia 2, or your Bard. It's important to remember these are not isolated concepts, but interconnected parts of AI world. Machine learning is the foundation of AI. Deep learning takes machine learning to the next level. And generative AI uses all these elements to create new things. In short, we can say machine learning is a subset of AI. Deep learning then is a subset of machine learning. And generative AI is a subset of deep learning. With this new information or this understanding, newfound understanding, let's move on to see how they are transforming our everyday life. AI is now a part of our everyday life, impacting fields from healthcare to finance and entertainment to transportation. Remember, AI is an extension of human intelligence, not a replacement. Our role is to guide its development and use it for the greater good. In a nutshell, or in summary, today's session we embarked on an insightful journey through AI, touching upon machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. Remember, this is merely the onset of your AI adventure. The field is ever evolving with endless opportunities. Keep exploring until our next meet.